morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Kospet Tank M1, and this time we're going to check on the preloaded watch faces and available watch faces for the Kospet Tank M1. We will try to download and install some watch faces available for this smartwatch. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a beautiful watch face here, but there are also pre-installed watch faces available for this device. Okay, so let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's a 10, 10, 11. Okay, we have at least 11 watch faces available for this device. Okay, so again, to activate and check for other watch faces here, just long press and you can tap, swipe from the list of watch faces pre-installed in the wearable. If you like the watch face, just tap on it to activate it to your smartwatch. Okay, so this is your Tank M1 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check on the available watch faces, the loadable watch faces for the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the support app. So it is using the Fit app. Okay, let's open the app. So we have here the UI. Okay, we have the steps, sleep monitoring, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sports function here. Okay, we have a lot of options here. Okay, oh, it is still loading. Anyway, our focus is on the watch face. So on the bottom part, okay, on your device here, we have the Tank M1. So on top here, the first menu here is the watch face section. Okay, tap on it. And we have here several available watch faces. Okay, as you can see here, we have the edit function here, or edit menu. Okay, this is for the custom watch face. Okay, so we have here the list of watch faces. Okay, scroll on the list of watch faces here, tap on more to see other downloadable watch faces for your Tank M1. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have Christmas themed here. Okay, we also have here some Valentines. And what else? Let's check. It is still loading. We have the popular, okay, Astro, okay, Cosmic watch faces. We have some April Fool's Day, okay, for the coming April. Okay, we have some cat themed watch faces. What else? Okay, we have some Apple-like watch faces here, as you can see. Beautiful watch faces, analog and digital. Okay, we have a comprehensive list here of watch faces for the Tank M1. So let's pick. Okay, I'm not going to count it anymore. As you can see here, it's more than 20 watch faces available for your Tank M1. Okay, so let's check. I like this one, very simple. Okay, let's look. Okay, so that's it. So let's see and try to install at least one watch faces here. Let's try to download and check if it's easy to install in our wearable. Okay, how about this one? I like this one. Okay, let's tap on it. Okay, and download the watch face file to your phone. So download. So downloading the watch face resource file. Let's see if we'll have any issues. Okay, as you can see here, it's very fast. We have some or we have a progress bar here, and we'll see the progress here on the installation. Okay, let's see that it will be pushed directly to our smartwatch. Okay, we are on 99%, almost complete, and download finish. Let's see, do we have a new watch face here, or do we really still have to activate it? Okay, so as you can see here, it is there, push directly to our smart watch. Beautiful watch face here. Okay, so again, another one. Let's see, more watch face. Let's have another one. Let's go for the analog type. Okay, so let's check. How about this? Okay, analog watch face. Here we come. Okay, this one. Let's check this one. Download. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's it. Okay, so far no issues at all. Very easy to install. Okay, very easy to download. And we have here several available watch faces, quality watch faces for your Tank M1. Okay, for the custom watch face, go for the watch face 2 here and tap on edit. Okay, so you can replace the background here or the picture. So select picture and it will load your gallery, photo gallery. Okay, so let's pick, for example, this one. Okay, tap on it. Okay, you can crop the photos, check, and we have here the time position. You can choose. Okay, as well as other details here you can pick. Okay, so we have here the steps, the time, and the date. Okay, you can also pick the color here. Okay, for example, we choose this one, then save. Okay, and now it is being pushed to our smartwatch, a custom watch face for your Tank M1. Okay, we'll see if it will have a very smooth connectivity here or installation. So far, we don't have any issues with the downloadable watch faces. We hope that it will be the same with the custom watch face. So far, we did not encounter any issues with the downloadable watch faces. Okay, and of course the Dafit app. So far, the support app is getting better. Very very reliable connectivity to our smartwatch. Okay, so let's wait. And switching background, almost 97, 98, and that's it. Let's see. Okay, so far we have successfully installed our custom watch face for the Tank M1. Okay, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable and the installation of the watch face here, okay, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.